to Hilltop View Design and Build. We're glad you found us. Alright, so we're here in our job outside. Who's our team? We're trenching for the electrical service. So we like to go 30 inches deep. It's not required on the primary. Secondary is 18 inches. So this is a secondary line, so that means after the post. So we're gonna go ahead and bring it down to 30 inches. So that's about 30 inches right there. That way, if there's ever an issue, nobody's ever gonna hit it. Some of the stuff you see out here in the hill country, people just 6-7 inches. They don't want to spend the time or the money to go down on that deep. And we like to do that for our clients because we don't want no issues. We don't want the liability of somebody hitting that secondary line and getting killed. So we go ahead and take the measures, in which it doesn't take but 30-40 minutes to do this. Might as well do it all the way where you need to. We have the equipment. That's our equipment. So we have the equipment. We have 4 machines, and we're clean the sites. So I'll take you back here where the site's clean. It rained on us, so it's a little muddy, but here's our site. We try to scrape it. We'll come back and do backfill around the site. People ask us all the time, why does it take so much to build a house? Well, if you do it right, like we do, it takes time and effort, and you have to have the equipment to do it. If you don't have the equipment to do it, and you're always hiring subs, you're always going to have issues. We don't hire any subs. Like those guys are the ones that we do foundations. We do our site cleaning, we do our mulching. We come in here, we mulch we take care of a lot of it in-house. We do our own HVAC. We do have a sub for plumbing, but mostly everything we do in-house. Alright, so here's our in-ground propane system. It's going to be a 500-gallon tank. We digged it with our equipment. And so we'll drop the tank in. Before we drop the tank in, we bedded it with sand. Drop the tank in, we do sand again, they put the anodized bags in it, and then we'll trench to the gas line, which is behind you, behind the camera. The gas line's right there. So we'll show you that process when we're done. Now let's head this way. Say hi, Christian. Hi. This is one of our guys. So we're gonna go ahead and show you. So that we had to remove these trees because we had not impervious cover. We had a septic system that needs to go in the front because there's no more room in the lot, believe it or not. So we had to move the driveway. So the driveway now it's. I actually like this layout better than the way we had it before. So we're dropping off base or sand. That's sand for the propane tank. We're going to do a rainwater system on here, and we'll have a layout, and I'll show you how we do it from step by step. We do our own rainwater system, so we'll show you step by step how to do that. With Hilltop View, you can like, subscribe, follow us. We're going to take you through this amazing journey.